Loops are used in Python to take a piece of code and repeat it multiple times over and over and over again without writing out the same piece of code that many times. For loops are used to repeat the same amount of code for a specific amount of times that we will know. So if we want to repeat 4 times, we can make it repeat 4 times. I'm going to show an example with printing the word something 4 times without a for loop and then with a for loop. As you can see, the same thing has been printed 4 times, but with only half the lines of code and a lot more readability as a bonus for having loops. You can also use the variable that you use to set up the for loop in calculations. So if you wanted to make a calculation for the times tables, you could do the number times by I in the for loop and put it out. But you will need to remember that with for loops, you don't get the exact number of steps. Because say if you wanted to repeat 17 times, it's not going to go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all those. It's going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 16. You can imagine it's like a traffic light. You don't want to stop exactly on the traffic light, do you? You want to stop a little bit before that. And so, for loops will start a little bit before where it is, so that they can end by going the same amount of steps a little bit before the traffic light of stopping. So, you're going to want to use a different kind of thing if you're going for exactly that. Like adding 1 to the I, and I'll show a few examples of that now. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned something. Have a good rest of your day.